This is Cyndy G. In this video, we are assembling the Werewolf belly box. And I'm going to start by folding my box on the score lines and folding the tabs here for this. And I am going to put my box together. I'm just going to piece these two pieces together first. There we go. I have my pieces together. It's noticing my hands are in horrible shape. As the weather starts to cool, my hands start cracking and getting dry. Especially handling paper, it really dries out my skin. So next I flipped it over to the outside and I'm going to place my 3 panels, my 2 sides and my front panel. There is a slight border all the way around, and you just want to center your panel piece in there. It doesn't have to be exact, so just eyeball it. Okay, and then we're going to flip it over and I'm going to work on his head a little bit. So there's a couple of different pieces. We've got this here. These are his teeth, and they kind of come up. You know how the werewolf's teeth kind of don't really fit in his mouth, so these kind of come up and pop out here just a little bit like that. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here on this piece, and then slide these in here again like this. There we are. Then I can put the backing on his head. For this piece, you're not coming all the way down to the bottom. You're just doing it on his head. Then we're going to put this piece on. Okay. I didn't do a super great job lining things up, but you can use your ink pads to cover some of those spots. I'm looking to see if I have some brown over here. I have pulled out a few. There it is. So I do have my brown. So I'll just come in here and darken that a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now you will want to put his head on before you put his vest, because the vest is going to go like this. And he's just going to have some of the lighter fur from his chest showing. Okay. So go ahead and put this in place. Then we'll just line this up. Now the rounded side, that is his shoulder. So that goes to the outside, the high round side. There we go. And now we can glue our side tabs together. I'm gluing my tabs to the inside of my box. Okay. And that is our werewolf belly box. Thank you for joining me.